This is both a very hard to find and a very clean, well-maintained Voorwood A517D CNC shape and sand machine. Up front, you do have a lighted overhead touchscreen control. The feed is at 8 feet per minute approximately right now. We are going to change that feed to 25 feet per minute. All spindles are 1.25 inches and are quick change. Station 1 is 10 horsepower, while Station 2 is 7.5 horsepower. Both are reversing spindle CNC shaping stations. The reversing spindles can be set up to rotate with or against the direction of the feed. Station 3 is a 7.5 horsepower non-reversing spindle station. All three stations can be horizontally locked for straight shaping or CNC control to shape pre-programmed contours. Stations 4 and 5, of course, are 1 horsepower CNC floating sanding stations. They too can be horizontally locked for straight shaping or CNC controlled to shape pre-programmed contours. The 2 horsepower feed is capable of 18 to 50 feet per minute. As you can see, this machine is not only very clean, it is very complete.